hope you guys are all well and staying safe. And yeah, so I am going to try the TikTok trend, or I don't know, I don't think it's a challenge, but basically you've been seeing a lot on TikTok and Instagram and even on YouTube now, which is the making the Dalgona coffee. Hopefully I'm saying it right. So basically it's just like coffee whip cream on the top and then milk inside, and you mix it become like iced coffee. And the best part is you don't need cream, you just need 3 ingredients. So we're gonna try it out and see whether it works, because I'm really excited. And yeah, if this is great, I'll probably be making it every single day. So we're gonna get started. We're gonna go to my kitchen. So yeah, so we need instant coffee. So the one I have is a Nescafe, but you can use any other brand, and sugar and hot water. You also need a tablespoon and a whisk as well. The first thing we're going to do is grab our Nescafe, and then I'm going to put 2 tablespoons in a bowl. You probably want to put into like a deeper bowl because you're going to whisk it soon. Then next is sugar, so 2 tablespoons of sugar as well. And then hot boiling water, so we only need 2 tablespoons of this, so let's pour this in. Alright, so we have 3 of our ingredients here, so you can see the hot water has melted the instant coffee. So the next step is actually to use a whisk and then whisk it until it becomes really whipped. A lot of people say you can use a manual one like this, and it takes about 15 minutes or even like 400 times, but I'm not going to do that. I'm going to use an automatic one, which will probably be faster and apparently might take about 3 minutes. So we're going to get started. Getting tired. So it's been like 2 minutes, and I can see that starting to form that weakiness. I don't know, like a whipped cream texture. So let's hope 1 more minute, maybe. Check this out, guys. It's starting to get really thick, but I think I probably want to whip it just a little bit more, because I can still see it looks a little bit liquidy still. So we'll continue a bit now. I guess you will know it's ready when it's not tipping over, like whipped cream, I guess. So we're gonna grab the milk now. Got my cup ready, I got my milk. I think I probably wouldn't do half, just because I don't like it too milky, so maybe just a little bit over half. Ready, guys? Ooh, start floating. Damn, that looks satisfying. Oh yeah. So it smells really strong. I like strong coffee, so that's good. And I heard that trying like this, it doesn't work, but we'll give it a try and see whether it works or not. Nah, because it's really thick, but the whipped cream is really good. Like, you can taste a really strong coffee, but you can also taste the sweetness as well. So I got my straw. I'm gonna mix it up now. I think you have to mix it all the way, but I feel like mine's gonna drip. So I'm just gonna dip this and then give it a try. Alright. Nah, still milky. I'll be back. I'll just mix it up first. I think we can give it a try now. I feel like it's gonna drip, but let's give this a try. Oh yeah, this is good. I think for me, I would probably add a little bit of ice, because I don't think it's that chilly, but it's really nice. You definitely have to mix it, because if not, you're just gonna taste the milk at the bottom. But man, this is really good. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this. Definitely give this a try, and let me know if you guys have tried, and let me know what you guys think. But this is definitely great for any coffee drinking lovers right out there, because this is real amazing. But yeah, bye guys.